Hello, this is Arthur, and this is HG CNC Equipment Manufacturer. We are professional in producing all kinds of CNC equipment, such as multi-head wood CNC rotor, and that are the laser engraving machine, laser cutting machine. That small red one are machines for producing boards, wood boards, and that there. This is a 3D and multi-head CNC engraving machine. And now, just before us is the stone CNC engraving machine, and with the specification of 1.3 meters and 2.5 meters. Now allow me to introduce you this machine and how it works and how to use it. This is spindle with 5.5 horsepower. It's very strong with water cycling and water cooling. And this is the organ. That's the cover to protect the oil or the dust or the water and other dust. This part is convenient when you are putting some materials into it. And this, you can see it is a water tank using stainless steel. All this structure is heavy duty with T-slot. Because we can say it's very strong. And in the back of this machine, there are water tank for water cycling. When processing some stone or jade or something like that, you should make sure this water cycling system is work, so it can cooling this spindle, cooling this tool. Okay, let's move to the next step, how to use it and how it works. This stone CNC engraving machine is controlled by a NC Studio control system like this. We can double click it to open it. And this is the window. There are some functions on it. I will make a brief introduction of it. This is menu function. So you can see we can forward, backward, left, right, and up, down. Very convenient, and we can also change the speed using this reach control bar, and also we can put in some other number like so you can see the speed now is very fast. It's faster than before. Okay, this is the control system. Before using it, we should make sure this control card is being inserted in this computer box, and we use another tube. Make sure this is plugged in. The tube is for connecting this control box to this computer, and this is the open button to shut down, to open it, and this is an emergency button. We can push it when some accident occurs, and this to open it, shut down, open. Okay. What we need is a NC file. You can see there are some G code on this file. This is what we need, and we move this tool on the suitable spots of this material. What we need is to move these nodes of this tool right on the surface of this material and on the back and right spot here. Okay, let's begin using this menu function. Left is 2 first. You can change this number to read. Down. When it's near enough, we can change to the step mode by clicking these numbers like 5 millimeters. When you click it, it moves step by step. Change it. And we press this button to open this window. Keep down until the nose of this tool is right on the surface of this material. Now, this step is done. We can click this 3 number to clear X, Y, and Z back to 0, like this. Next step. We load the NC file here. Choose, click to open it, and press this button and also F9 is okay. Speed while using this function. Now you can see it's faster than before, and now it's slow down. We change it to suitable speed. Small one. You can see this relief on this wood is the final production of this processing. When this processing is done, you can get a piece of relief production like this.